The puzzle to solve in this case is how to replace a broken spoke where the spoke head sits underneath the sprocket cassette. Removing a stubborn bicycle gear, cassette or sprocket can be difficult. Normal pedaling tightens the cassette on the wheel hub. Even if you have the right tools, the adapter and the chain whip, the cassette might be on so tight that special effort is needed. I have removed and replaced the cassette on this wheel many times, but on this occasion it refused to budge with normal effort. A successful removal was effected with this setup. I found a couple of well-rooted trees close to 26 inches apart, and with the tire and inner tube removed, wedged the wheel between the trees and tied the rim firmly to the tree on both sides. Then with a 15/16 wrench applied to the adapter, rotated in a counterclockwise direction, the cassette came loose with minimal effort. In order to keep the rim as steady as possible, we are looking for good friction against the trees and the rope wrapped around many spokes to spread the strain. The reason this works is because the remaining spokes are firmly tight, resulting in a fully integrated wheel apart from the one bad spoke. This method works satisfactorily for me, and I hope it does for you. If so, give me a thumbs up and happy cycling. If not, leave a comment so that others may learn from other experience. Thanks for watching.